final day here in Barcelona. We head home tomorrow, which is really sad. It went by way too quick. So we are spending some time drinking some foot medicine and writing our postcards. So, best way to let people know that you're thinking of them and not having to haul back souvenirs. So it turns out that both of the main churches here, you have to pay to get in. One of them was 10 euro, and this one is 15. Just like most of all the other ones or other tickets that we've gotten, there are time stamps or timing for when you can come into the church. So make sure that you plan it. We are not going in. I'm too cheap. Whew. We're inside the post office here in Barcelona right now, and the ceiling is insane. Side so you can see the chimney. It's the trees that I really like. We're over here having a drink, and Jen's getting real philosophical over here.
They say you look around, you'll find signs everywhere you go. Están aquí para 8 días. No. Nosotros vamos a Estados Unidos mañana.
Yo estoy aquí así. Tú, a ver, tira así suave. Pasa para él. Aprieta ahí.
I think there's some sort of handshake.
Tú, a ver, tira así. No así. Bien. Vale. Vale, tira. A ver, tira.
Good, throw them out, like you're gonna pull them apart. Like you're gonna pull his arms apart. Pull his arms apart. See? Oh, he's like you! Yeah! Oh, friendship! Oh, he's strong like you. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it didn't seem this big when... Good morning. We've made it to the Barcelona airport, and we are getting ready to go to Munich, where as soon as we land, we're going to have to run. We only have a 45-minute layover. So they're going to be boarding by the time we land. That'll be nerve-wracking, but that's okay. Fair warning, if you are coming through the Barcelona airport, you do have to take all the electronics out of your bag. I had to go back through and take my drone out and everything. All the cameras, blah, blah, blah. So, fair warning, just take them all out. Just do it the first time, then it's a lot easier. Yeah, so wish us luck.
We will first start with a pre-boarding and kindly ask all the passengers to stage.
That was a long run. Huh?
Are you the one that was going up
Yes.
backwards?
Oh God, it started going after I got like halfway, or I got up, and I realized like, why are they going so fast? Why am I not? Yep, that's why. I'm dumb. It was terrible.
It was terrible.
It was terrible.
I'm so moist and glossy.
So dewy and beautiful.
Aww. Thanks.
Oh, the cats. We're about 2 hours into our flight. Floor 30 rows. And we had to run to our gate like crazy. Time for a nap. It is 7:30 at night. Our plane was delayed an hour, but we're headed to our gate. It's time to go home. Yes. on their way home.